Bitget with the last edition of Diwali event is back. Now you can log in every day and grab a reward. Check-in event is here. So let's dive in and make a presence every day on Bitget platform. Get ready for a Diwali celebration with Bitget's check-in event. It's your chance to win daily prizes just by checking in. As the Festival of Lights approaches, we want to brighten your crypto journey with exciting rewards. No need to rush. This event will be running from 10 a.m. November 6, 2023, 10 a.m. November 16, 2023, so you all will have time to catch up and spin to get the best rewards. But what are the rewards? First of all, you must sign in daily to be getting the check-ins badge and win some of the best rewards on Bitget. As you check in every day during event period, you will be getting more and more rewards. Not only checking in, you will be given tasks to be completed every day. Here are the rewards. Hot tokens like SOL, IMX, Doge. Bitget trading bonus. USDT. Here are the terms and conditions. 1. Daily tasks prize will be released upon mission completion. 2. Users will need to complete KYC to claim any campaign reward. 3. The campaign is exclusively for India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. 4. Rewards are limited. They will be distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. 5. Any suspicious behavior such as referring to oneself or registering multiple accounts with the same IP address will make the user ineligible to receive rewards. 6. Bitget reserves the right to cancel or modify the campaign rules without prior notice. 7. Bitget reserves the right to disqualify users from claiming rewards if it detects any suspicious behavior in depositing, spot, and futures trading activities to obtain the rewards of this campaign. In case you're unsure about how to sign up and take part in this occasion, the following brief guide will assist you. Sign up or sign in on Bitget's webpage. Take part in the assignments I have explained above. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to kickstart your crypto journey with Bitget. Start completing tasks and increase your chances of winning today. Remember, the more tasks you complete, the greater your chances of winning these fantastic prizes. Get ready for some crypto excitement.